A major recruitment opportunity has been announced by the Governor's Secretariat, Bihar, for the appointment of pro-vice chancellors in various state universities. And if you are a senior academician or professor with significant experience in higher education, this could be an excellent opportunity for you. So in this video, I will cover the universities involved, eligibility, age limit, selection process, and the last date to apply. So let's get started. The Governor's Secretariat Bihar Lok Bhavan, Patna has invited application for the appointment of pro-vice chancellor in 14 universities across Bihar. They are the Lalit Narayan Mithila University, Patna University, Magad University, Veer Kunwar Singh Universities, Jayaprakash University, Bhupendra Narayan Mandal University, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Bihar University, Patliputra University, Munger University, Purnia University, Nalanda Open University, and several other universities listed in the official notification. Now let's discuss the eligibility requirements. The applicant must be a distinguished academician with a proven record of academic leadership. Candidate should have at least 10 years of experience as a professor in university system or at least 10 years of experience in an equivalent position in reputed research or academic administrative organization. The candidate must demonstrate strong academic and institutional leadership capabilities. Age limit. The maximum age limit for applicants is 67 years as of the last date of submission of the application. Candidate above this age limit will not be eligible to apply. Now selection process. The pro-vice chancellor will be appointed by the chancellor in consultation with the state governor. State government following the same procedure prescribed for the appointment of a vice chancellor. The search committee may invite shortlisted candidates for presentation, personal interaction. One thing is very important, no TA or DA will be provided for attending these proceedings. How to apply? Application will be accepted only online mode. So eligible candidate must submit their application through Samarth portal mentioned in the official advertisement. Important dates. Last date to apply 1st July 2026. Late or incomplete applications will not be considered. Now candidates should note that any form of direct or indirect canvassing will lead to disqualification. So therefore ensure that your application is submitted strictly according to the official guidelines. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with fellow academicians, professors and higher education professionals. For the latest update on university recruitment, admissions, faculty positions and education news, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.